In this video, I'm going to talk about terms and how you can use them to reuse your content from previous classes. A term is basically an instance of a course that you teach to a specific class. For instance, let's say I've had this dance class from winter of last year and I want to teach the same course this summer. I'm going to create a dance 2018 term. Now I'm going to select my dance course. You don't have to enter the start and end date, but I recommend that you enter them because they help you organize the terms once, let's say, you've had 6 or 7 terms. Now, I want to go back to my terms and I want to reuse one of the lesson plans from the previous term and use it in the new term that I'm teaching. So I go to the previous term and I go to the lesson plan that I want to edit. I go to the edit button. If you want, you can change any of the information, or you can just copy the lesson plan as is. What you want to do at the bottom, instead of selecting update and view lesson plan, you want to select save as a copy. This will create a copy of the lesson plan and leave the original lesson plan untouched. Now, I go to edit the lesson plan and select my new dance term and save it. Now, if I go to my dance term, I'm just going to see the one lesson plan that I moved over. The benefit of moving lesson plans one at a time is that you can still keep track of your progress in the term and only add the lesson plans as you're actually about to teach them in the new class.